Two SUVs, two giants. But which one saves you more money in the long run? Today we are breaking down the maintenance and running costs of the Toyota Fortuner and Mahindra XUV700. And trust me, the results might surprise you. The Toyota Fortuner, known for its reliability and off-road capabilities, faces off against the tech-savvy Mahindra XUV700, a feature-packed SUV redefining the segment. If you're on the fence about which SUV to buy, maintenance and running costs could be the deciding factor. Stick around because we are also revealing a critical 5-year ownership cost analysis that could save you thousands. Let's talk maintenance. Over 5 years, the Fortuner's estimated costs are 26,864 rupees for petrol and 31,723 rupees for diesel. For the XUV700, it's 25,751 for petrol and 29,314 rupees for diesel. While they seem close, here's the twist. The Fortuner's service intervals are longer and often cheaper, except for the diesel variant, where the XUV700 edges ahead. But wait till you hear about that critical fourth service cost for the XUV700. For the Fortuner, your first service is free and regular service costs stay under 9,000 rupees. The XUV700 also offers a first free service, but at 40,000 km, costs spike to 28,466 rupees, thanks to a mandatory brake pad replacement. That's a significant expense you'll need to budget for. Fuel efficiency is another critical factor. The XUV700 delivers better mileage, 15 to 16 km per litre, but for diesel and twin patch. Fuel efficiency is another critical factor. The XUV700 delivers better mileage, 15 to 16 km per litre for diesel and 12 to 13 km per litre for petrol. The Fortuner, on the other hand, offers 14 to 15 km per litre for diesel and just 10 to 11 km per litre for petrol. So if you're clocking high mileage annually, this difference adds up quickly, making the XUV700 a more cost-effective choice at the pump. Here's where it gets interesting. Over 5 years, the Fortuner's slightly lower maintenance costs are offset by its higher running costs due to fuel efficiency. For a diesel SUV owner driving 15,000 km annually, the XUV700 saves approximately 20,000 rupees in fuel expenses. But remember, this doesn't account for resale value, a category where the Fortuner traditionally excels. The XUV700's modern tech like ADAS and panoramic sunroof adds undeniable value, but could lead to higher repair costs if things go wrong. Meanwhile, the Fortuner's simpler, proven design means fewer surprises in the long term. It's a classic debate. Tech-savvy? Patch. It's a classic debate. Tech-heavy versus tried and tested reliability. So what's the verdict? The Fortuner impresses with its lower maintenance costs for petrol variants and legendary reliability. But the XUV700 offers better fuel efficiency, advanced features, and competitive maintenance costs for its diesel models. Your choice depends on what matters. Patch. Your choice depends on what matters more to you, long-term peace of mind or short-term savings. Which SUV wins in your book, the rugged Fortuner or the tech-savvy XUV700? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. See you in the next one.